Understanding Extended Decimal, an easy guide. Hello, and welcome to today's lesson on English language learning. We are diving into the world of numbers, specifically focusing on the concept of the extended decimal. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry. We're going to break it down together, making it simple and easy to understand. Let's explore how extended decimals work and where you might encounter them in real life. Before we dive into what an extended decimal is, let's refresh our understanding of a standard decimal number. A standard decimal number is a way of representing fractions or parts of a whole, using a decimal point. For example, 0.5 represents half, and 0.25 represents a quarter. Now, an extended decimal is essentially a decimal number that continues beyond the typical 2 or 3 decimal places. It extends further, providing a more precise and detailed representation of a number. For instance, while 0.75 is a standard decimal, 0.753219 is an extended decimal. Extended decimals are not just mathematical expressions, they have practical uses in our daily lives. Let's explore a few. 1. Science and engineering. Precise measurements often require extended decimals. For example, scientists measuring the gravitational constant or engineers working on high-precision instruments. 2. Finance. In finance, currencies sometimes need to be represented in extended decimals for accurate transaction processing, especially in forex markets. 3. Computing. In the realm of computing and digital storage, extended decimals are used to represent data sizes and capacities with high precision. Reading and using extended decimals might seem daunting, but it's quite straightforward. Here are some tips. 1. Read step by step. Start from the decimal point and read each digit individually. 2. Understand the value. Each decimal place has a value. For instance, in 0.753219, the 7 is in the tenths place, the 5 is in the hundredths place, and so on. 3. Practice with examples. The best way to get comfortable with extended decimals is to practice. Try converting fractions to decimals and vice versa. And there you have it. A straightforward guide to understanding extended decimals. These numbers might seem complex at first glance, but with a little practice, you'll find they're just a detailed way of expressing quantities. Remember, extended decimals are all around us, from scientific measurements to financial transactions. We hope this video has been informative and has demystified the concept of extended decimals for you. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.